Lexi dropped a great question about DCA bots which are found on Pionex Trading platform. His question was, between Simple and Composite modes, which one is better? And here's my honest answer. Neither is better. And here's why. Trading bots are built for different traders, different strategies, and different risk appetites. Let me break it down so that you know which one fits you best. Simple mode is exactly what it sounds like. Straightforward, focused, and beginner friendly. Here's how it works. The bot ladder buys dips in a single cryptocurrency using increasing order sizes. 1 share, then 2, then 4, then 8, then 16, and sells everything at once when your take profit target is hit. The philosophy comes from the classic Martingale strategy. The more consecutive dips you buy, the higher your probability of eventual profit. Because you are buying more with each dip, your average cost drops significantly. The bot only needs 4.2% rebound to recover costs, compared to nearly 99% with a standard grid bot. The question now is, who is Simple mode for? Traders who want to start easy, focus on a single cryptocurrency they believe in, and let the bot do the heavy lifting. No complexity, no portfolio management. Just set it and forget it. Now, composite mode, this is where things get powerful. Instead of trading one coin, composite mode lets you trade multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time, spreading your capital across a diversified portfolio. Why does that matter? Because diversification reduces risk. If one coin tanks, others might hold steady or even pump. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Composite mode also gives you more control. You can use AI-generated parameters, choose between balanced, that is moderate risk and returns with a higher fund utilization, or consecutive, lower risk with more safety orders. Or you can go fully manual and customize everything. Signals, price deviation, take profit ratios, volume scaling, and safety orders. Now, who is composite mode for? Traders who have more capital to deploy, want to diversify risk across multiple assets, and are comfortable with a bit more complexity in exchange for greater flexibility.
300. The bottom line, how to choose.
So, how do you decide? You choose Simple mode if and only if you're new to DCA bots and want to learn the ropes. Then number 2, you have a strong conviction in one specific cryptocurrency. Then number 3, you want a hands-off single asset strategy with lower complexity. Choose composite mode if and only if you have more capital to spread across multiple coins. Number 2, if you want to reduce risk through diversification. Then number 3, if you're comfortable with customizing parameters and want more control over your strategy. Both modes use the same core Martingale engine, ladder buying dips and selling all at once when profit targets are hit. The difference is simply how many coins you're trading and how much control you want. Lexi, here's my final piece of advice. Start with what you understand. If you're new, start simple, then graduate to composite when you're ready. If you already know your way around and have the capital to diversify, composite is actually a powerful tool in your arsenal. We've put together detailed articles for both modes. I'll drop them in the comment section as well as in the description section so that You can go over them in your own time and then decide which one is your best mode. At the end of the day, the better mode is the one that fits your strategy, your capital, and your risk tolerance. We built both so you have choices and not that one wins over the other. Happy trading, and as always, trade smart, trade safe. I'll see you in the next video.